So today I'm heading to meet a homeowner who's looking to do a project in the second floor bathroom of her 1920s home. Now, while I love working on older homes, the age is a little bit concerning. I'm anticipating that we're going to find some wiring that's much older than what we want to deal with. It doesn't mean the project can't be done, it just means it'll take a little more work to get there.
Hi, Heath.
Hey, Jericho. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I saw that you wrote in about a bathroom fan issue that you're having.
Yep, it's upstairs.
Let's go take a look and see what's going on.
So this is the main bathroom. We do everything in here, shower, and we get a lot of moisture. So during the summer, we open the window, but during the winter,
Little chilly?
yeah, a little bit cold.
So this is the main bathroom that everyone pretty much uses for the showers. This is getting used for multiple warm showers a day.
Right.
Okay. And we really probably ought to have some kind of ventilation in here besides that window.
Right, we definitely need a vent.
All right, so we could probably cut one in, but I'm not really sure what's upstairs. Is the attic open? Do we have some potential access?
Yeah, we can go up.
Yeah, let's take a look and see what we can fit in there. Oh wow, this is a great attic.
Thank you.
All right, and that looks like our main plumbing stack. So this is roughly the width of that hallway. And our bathroom wall was about 5 feet deep, and we had a little bump inside the bathroom where this should be. And that makes sense. That's our 5-foot mark there. That's where that little bump would be. So good. And then we can see this pipe right there that lines up at that same mark. So that should be somewhere inside that bathroom wall as well. So it looks like our bathroom wall comes here and runs down about 9 feet. Great. So we have our switch here, this whole ceiling area. It's all wide open. And we have perfect access for that ceiling to add whatever you want for a fan.
Great.
So we have a couple of options. We can either do a conventional fan, which you'll typically see whether it be a 10 by 10 square, give or take, or one of the large round ones. Cuts into the ceiling, has the ductwork come up and vent out. The motor's down there. Does a great job, but a little bit louder. You can add a light. It's a little bit bigger and bulkier where you kind of have a small ceiling and a light fixture there. I'm not sure if that's the best answer for us. So I do have another solution. We can do a remote motor, a remote fan where the motor goes up here. We just put a small duct in the ceiling downstairs, draws a lot of air up here, and then pushes it out the side of the gable. A lot quieter, cleaner, smaller footprint down there. What do you think?
Okay, I love the idea of a quiet fan.
Perfect. So let's go grab the fan. I'll give you a couple of switch options, make a couple of decisions, and we'll go from there.
Okay, great, thank you.
All right, Jericho. So these are the parts of the fan we're going to install up there. So the heart of the system is that fan motor that goes in the attic. This is the unit right here. So it's pretty simple. It's just a motor that will power up. It has a 4-inch intake, 4-inch exhaust, and this will just go right out the side of the house. But in the bathroom itself, that 4-inch intake comes out of this. So we're going to stick this in the bathroom somewhere. And you can see it's got a fairly small footprint compared to a conventional fan. And this is really all you're going to see.
Oh, okay, great.
A lot cleaner, a lot smaller. I think it looks really, really good.
Yeah.
So the next question is, where do you think you may want to locate this? We can pretty much put it anywhere in that ceiling in that bathroom.
So I was thinking in the center of the shower.
Okay. And the last decision is, how do we want to control it? So we have a few options. Normally, you can just do a simple switch, but I think we may want to go with a couple of other choices that may work better for us. So the first one would be a humidity sensor, where we can set the humidity level, and as it senses the steam from the shower, it turns on, and then as it goes away, it turns itself off. The other option is maybe a timer, something with just a predetermined time that you press a button that goes on for 15, 20, 30 minutes. Pretty simple. Any preference?
I think I like the idea of the timer.
Timer?
Yeah.
Great. Attic, bathroom ceiling over the tub, throw the timer in, and we'll be all set. Just that easy.
Okay, great.
Let's grab the tools and get to work.
Okay.
All right. So we turned the power off, just want to make sure. Yeah, none of the lights work, so we're good. So let's go ahead and take this switch apart and see what we're working with. Kind of what I expected, but I was hoping for it might get a little better. So this is BX wiring. It's probably original to the house based on the age of the home. And this is something that we can't extend. We don't want to add a fan control off of this circuit. At some point, you should probably consider looking at having some of this updated based on the age and condition. So are we thinking we still want the fan switch somewhere over here or somewhere else in the bathroom at this point?
Yeah, ideally right next to the
Right next to that? Okay, so we'll put this back, and then we're going to look for another power source to power this fan.
Okay.
The first thing I need to do is source an access point to fish the new wire for the remote motor. It looks like I can drill a hole that'll run parallel to this plumbing chase from the basement to the attic. I want to go up to the attic and do the same thing, staying as in line as I can. Next, I'm dropping a fiberglass fish down from the attic and catching it in the basement. Tying the new wire on and then pulling it back up to the attic. I'll repeat the same process to wire in the bathroom fan switch. To install the grill in the shower, I'm cutting the hole using a 6-inch hole saw. To help with the installation of the ductwork, I've called a sheet metal technician. Now that the damper is dropped into place, I'll secure it to the joists using wood screws. And finally, we'll install the exhaust grill on the ceiling. With the remote motor mounted and wired, all that's left to do is connect the ductwork and run it to the exterior of the gable end. Hey Jericho, you want to come check it out?
Sure, how's it going?
I think we're done. You want to give it a shot?
Sure.
Just barely hear it.
Yeah, it's quiet.
Yeah, so it's actually moving a lot more air than you'd think, so it's going to really help keep this room steam-free and quiet.
It's great, I love it. The showers are gonna be so much more comfortable,
Yeah.
no more cold in the winter.
No dripping walls, no steam on the mirror, you should be good.
It's great, thank you, I appreciate it.
All right, thanks. I'll see you later.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.